In this lesson, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to write interesting blog posts and articles more quickly and efficiently. To get started, you'll need two things: ChatGPT and a platform for publishing your content. For articles, something like Google Docs works well, while for blog posts, you can create a new post on your website or blog. Let's say you are a startup founder and want to write a blog post explaining the benefits of using AI in health and fitness center business. You can use a prompt like this: write a blog post about the benefits of using AI in health and fitness center business. After entering this, you'll receive results that include a title, introduction, and various benefits related to your topic. To use this content in your article, begin by copying the title and pasting it where it fits. Then for the introduction, select and copy the relevant text and place it at the beginning of your article. This is a quick and efficient way to include relevant content in your writing. A typical blog post usually ranges from 1,500 to 2,500 words. To make it longer, you can simply use a prompt like "write more benefits" and then add the resulting text to your article as needed. Blog articles often look better with images, so make sure to add appropriate visuals to your content. Also, keep generating prompts until your article reaches the desired word count. In summary, the process is simple. Start a prompt with "write a blog post about the benefits of," followed by your chosen topic, and you will have the content you need. Great job on your progress, and I'm looking forward to our next lesson where we can refine your skills further.